In the last video, I showed you how to use Demand Analyzer while browsing Alibaba.com. However, you could be on other websites, namely Shopify, we're going to talk about right now, and still use the Demand Analyzer. You interested in how to use it? Let me show you exactly how. So I'm here on my buddy Ezra Firestone's Shopify website. Boom by Cindy Joseph. They've sold over 100 million products, or $100 million worth of products in the last few years. So I'm on a Shopify website. How can I use the Demand Analyzer? All right, let's just say I'm just shopping around on their website. I know they're a huge company, and I'm just curious as to what kind of products seem pretty interesting. Now I see here this is sold out. All right, let me just take a look here. This is sold out, so it must be pretty popular. I don't even know what this is. This is like a shine control moisturizer. All right, that's interesting. All right, what else? What else products do they have here? Let's go look at this one here. Here's Boom Clean. All right, this is I can't even tell what this is. Is this a cleanser? I guess some kind of cleanser. But watch this, guys. Here's the point. I'm going to hit the Chrome extension, and I'm going to hit Search with Demand Analyzer. Now, what happens is the Demand Analyzer is going to check out what some of the main keywords on this page could be. And it already tells me cleansers, cleansers for sensitive skin, or cleansers household. I don't think it's cleansers household, but I could just enter in another keyword, a random keyword here, right here, or I can choose one of these. Like, let's just go ahead and choose cleansers for sensitive skin. Right here, just like it worked on Alibaba.com, now on this Shopify website, I can see, is there any demand on Amazon? Is there any search volume for this cleansers for sensitive skin? It's about only 600 products. Doesn't seem like there's that much activity. We're not showing any top products on there, etc. Now, if I was on a different page and I could just do the same thing, let me just go to this random Boom Gold right here. Now, if I didn't want to use what the suggested keywords are, or if there are no suggested keywords, like on this page, because this is a different kind of page, so it didn't even suggest keywords, I can just type in something like, let's just type in Boom by Cindy Joseph. Like, I'm just curious. Is there brand demand for this? Look at this. Like, the autocomplete is showing me there absolutely is brand demand for this. But let me just actually dive into it and see how much demand there is. There's 600 search volume for Boom by Cindy Joseph. I could see some of the main keywords right here, and I can see some of the top products currently. Here's a brand new listing by them. They actually just launched on Amazon. So again, in this situation, I actually went in and I typed the keyword into the Demand Analyzer. So there's different ways that you can use this, guys, on Shopify websites. So make sure to take advantage the next time you're doing research into a competitor or just any random Shopify website. Hit the Demand Analyzer and see if there is demand for some of the main keywords that are on that page, but not on Shopify, but you're looking at the demand on Amazon. I'll see you guys on the next video.